Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to another fantastic class. Today, I'll be teaching you guys how to design a fantastic handbill stroke poster. And I want you guys to sit back and relax and watch me on how I'm able to come up with this beautiful flyer of mine. I remain Bolaji Johnson, your coach. And if you are just joining me for the first time, I would like you to smash your hands on the subscription button, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like what I am teaching. Okay, today we want to talk about how to designing a flyer or a poster, and I want you guys to follow me as I will be, showing you the techniques and the way how to come up with this kind of flyer. All right, before you start. Okay, you move to this is your Coreldraw platform. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to set your page, set it to A4. All right, then this is called a Lagos school sport basketball. So it's basically a basketball flyer. So you should know this, that whatever we'll be doing or whatever objects or illustration that you'll be using will be based on basketball playing background of basketball players. All right, so this is my A4 sheets. All right, so I've gotten all my items ready and objects ready for the design. So let's go there. Now the first thing you've done the first thing, then the second one is to get your background ready. Okay, so we are talking about Nigeria, and the major color that should be used should be green color. Okay, so then this is our basketball background. Okay, so what we need to do is to place it as in under the background. Okay, so this is it. Then I need to make it more professional by using transparent hue. Okay, so click on transparent hue, go to overlay, then click it. Then you have something like this. Then the next thing for us to do is to bring up this. I have gotten all these concepts already, so I'm just showing you how to come up with it and arrange, arrangement, and also how to balance everything up. All right, so this is what I want to do. I have to place this here. Okay, then the logo of the Lagos State. Okay, we come up here, then the subjects will be here. Okay, all right, so this will come down a bit, so our alignment will be majorly central alignment. Okay, so this is it. All right, then this is our player. Aside the background that I made, this is our player. So all you need to do is to place it accordingly. All right, place it accordingly. So what I need to do here is to place inside container. Okay, place inside container, then bring this here. Okay, bring this here. So the next thing for us to do now, hope we are seeing all this. If you are just joining me, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Okay, so we need to arrange this, put this here. Okay, put this here. Okay, then the dates, so the venue and time will come here, and the picture of the state governor will be here. Okay, all right, so this is where we have. All right, then you bring this here. Okay, here you go. All right, then this will be here. And this is how I'm able to come up with this nice concepts, beautiful flyer. And if you have any other question you need to ask, please don't hesitate to put it up in the comment section. Let's discuss more, and I'm ready, or I'll be here to to put you through and also guide you on how to design a flyer like this. All right. Hope you guys get everything and how I'm able to come up with this beautiful flyer. So guys, God bless you, and I'll be meeting you in my next class. Bye for now.